The Phoenix Suns have won 8 of their last 9 and are now in second in the Pacific Division, ahead of the Golden State Warriors and the team led by that man, Steph Curry. Steph Curry starts off with the 3 here over Eric Bledsoe. That ties Mark Jackson for made threes, 734 in his career. Golden State up 13-10. Later, Andrew Bogut with the block. Steph Curry looks and finds Klay Thompson. Klay Thompson takes a dribble, knocks down the shot. He was 9 of 11 from the field. Second quarter still, Steph Curry drives and hits the lay-in off glass. He had 14 points in the game, 48-34 Golden State in front. Then Curry with the bounce pass to David Lee, who throws that one down with authority. Watch it one more time. Sweet little pocket pass there, 50-36. Later second quarter, Steph Curry with the rebound this time off the Miles Plumlee miss, takes it the other way and finds just in a beautiful way a cutting Andrew Bogut for the two-handed punch right there. Curry had 14 points, 9 rebounds, and 9 assists at the half, well on his way to a triple-double. Curry continuing to find his teammates in the second half. Iguodala knocks down the 3. He had 8 points in the game. Later, Curry on the break to Klay Thompson for the 3. 21 points in the game for Thompson. Still third quarter, still Steph Curry on the pass. Steph Curry this time to David Lee for another easy little layup. It's a 20-point game for Golden State. Then Curry with the steal on Goran Dragic. He feeds Harrison Barnes in the corner for 3. Steph Curry had career highs, 16 assists, another career high, 13 rebounds to go with his 14 points as Golden State rolls all over Phoenix.